Hi everyone, Jangir is here. Today I'm going to show you how to make classic pandesal, which is my favorite Filipino pastry. Usually I prefer the mornings with the tea and nice to have with cheese or jam. So let's get started. So hey, we have over here 4 cups of all-purpose flour ready, and then we have 1.5 cup sugar. We have 1 whole egg and then 1 egg white. We have about 60 gram room temperature butter. We have 1.5 cup of warm milk, but make sure this is warm, not that cold or too hot. So we're gonna mix with the warm milk or sugar. And then we will include our active dry yeast, which is 1.5 teaspoon. We're gonna mix it gently so they can get activated before mixing with the dry ingredients. Okay, so we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt into the all-purpose flour. We're gonna mix the dry ingredients. So here I mix the yeast with the warm milk and sugar. The yeast will sit in the bowl about 10 minutes until activated. And then when it turns frothy, I will pour the mixture here to the dry ingredients in the bowl. We pour the activated yeast with the milk and sugar into the dry ingredients. And then we include the whole egg and the egg white. Then we have the melted butter or room temperature, I would say. Once we finish that, we're gonna start the machine with medium speed. After mixing the dough with the machine, I take it out and lightly I knead the dough on the counter and give ball shape to the dough, and then I grease my metal bowl lightly and place the dough in it and let it rest about 45 minutes to 1 hour until it's double its size. Actually, here I came to check the dough if it's fully raised. As you see, I poked the dough and it's not bouncing back. The dough is not bouncing back, which means it's ready to go to next level. So I put the flour on the counter and then take out the whole dough on the counter and divide to half. I place the other part in the bowl back, and I'm just gonna make some kind of log, and then I will cut the dough each about 50 to 55 gram each. This is really important because if you have the balls are not equally weighted, some
You should
part
say in the
of
video it
the
can be 50 to 55
pieces will not
grams.
gonna completely cooked, or either they will overcooked or some of them undercooked. So we just need to make sure that each part is same weight. Here I got my pre-cut cheese pieces in a small bowl. I will use here I flatten my dough and then place a small amount of one cheese and make the dough like a ball. In order to do that, you need to make your hand like a cup and make a circular movement and give a little bit pressure on the dough. Voila. After balls are ready, I have a tray of breadcrumbs and I dip all these prepared balls in it and place on the tray nicely and about 2-inch distance from each other. One, two, three. Take it out. Hey guys, that's all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this Pandesal as much as I do. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. By the way, if you have any comments and questions, leave down below. Masarap Talaga ito.